That's right, Lou. Yes, good morning, everyone. It is a cold start to the day. It's a frosty one as well. This picture taken this morning in Ledgate in County Durham. But it's not just Northern England that has frost. Scotland does as well, and temperatures are low this morning. Now, for many of us, we've had some beautiful sunrises, some sunshine. But later on, we've got this clutch of weather fronts coming our way, and they're going to introduce some more rain. So first thing this morning, a lot of dry weather. There are some showers scattered around the coastline, a few of them just blowing inland around Chester, getting down towards the Midlands, but a lot of dry weather. Fair bit of sunshine, variable amounts of cloud. Through the course of the day, what you find is as our weather fronts approach, the cloud will thicken and then the rain will arrive, initially across southern and western parts of Northern Ireland, through Wales and towards the southwest. Now, wherever you see these greens or indeed yellows in the charts, that's indicating some heavier bursts of rain. Temperature-wise, nothing to write home about. Temperatures are below average for the time of year. We're looking at 4 or 3 in the north to 9, possibly 11 in the Channel Islands. Now, through this evening and overnight, under clear skies, the temperature will fall away quite quickly. We're looking at a widespread frost across Scotland and Northern England, where the breeze won't be much at all. But for Northern Ireland and parts of England and Wales, where we've got more of a breeze and also cloud and rain, that rain extending from the west towards the east, we're not expecting any issues with frost. And south of that rain band, although it will be dry at times, there will be some showers along southern coastal counties and the Channel Islands. So a cold night in prospect, a cold start to the day. Any patchy mist and fog that forms will clear, and then we still have this band of rain in the south. And if anything, it's going to pivot a bit further northwards and westwards, merge with another band of rain, and it's merging where we don't want it to. So we could have further issues with the rain exacerbating the flooding problem we currently have. Now, if this front doesn't travel this far north, it could still be a little bit further south, then that won't be an issue, and it's something we'll keep you posted about. But move north of that, drier and clearer with some sunny skies, some showers, which will be wintry in the hills, and first thing in the morning where we've had the showers, watch out for ice and untreated surfaces. These blue arrows indicate the strength of the wind gusts, and it is going to be quite a gusty day tomorrow. The wind coming from a chilly direction, namely the north or the northeast, and that will exacerbate the cool feel. So tomorrow's maximum temperature is 5 in Aberdeen to about 7 or 8 in St Helier. It's not until the latter part of next week we see temperatures recover to closer to where they should be at this time in November. Lou and Dan.
So we just got to wait.
He was being very kind and magnanimous there, Dan. Good morning, everybody. We've got a real autumnal feel to the start of today. It's cold, it's frosty. Look at all these lovely autumn leaves. We squirrel just enjoying that. And this picture was actually taken by one of our weather watchers in Northampton this morning. Now, today, after a cold start, it's going to remain fairly cold during the day, temperatures below average for this stage in November. And although many of us starting off dry, there is some more rain on the way. And that is courtesy of this clutch of fronts coming in around this area of low pressure later on. But a transient ridge of high pressure is what's meant overnight. We've had clear skies and that cold start. So a lot of sunshine to start the day. There is a peppering of showers, especially around the coasts of the UK. A few of those through the day could get in through Cheshire, for example, heading down towards the northwest Midlands. But then we've got our fronts coming in, introducing thicker cloud and also some rain. That rain initially getting in across western and southern parts of Northern Ireland, Wales and into the southwest of England. Now, wherever you see greens on the charts, as you can see here, or indeed yellows, that means we're looking at some heavy bursts of rain. And our temperatures 4, maybe just 3 in Glasgow, to about 9 or 11. Then as we head through the evening and overnight, well, we still will have a lot of clear skies, some patchy mist and fog forming locally, where we've got the showers. There could be wintry in the hills, while there could also be some ice on untreated surfaces to watch out for. But our band of rain spreads and pivots across southern areas, extending from South Wales all the way over towards Kent. Now, south of that, there will still be some showers in southern coastal counties and the Channel Islands, but north of that, fewer showers. And the temperatures you see here represent towns and cities. So in rural areas, they'll be lower as well. And that does mean for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, with not much of a breeze around, in Northern England, we are looking at a widespread frost. Tomorrow morning then, under those clear skies, we'll have some sunshine, but still a lot of showers, and some of those will be wintry in nature. Meanwhile, our band of rain in the south pivots, moves a bit further north and also west, and we could well see some rain falling in the areas that have already had issues with flooding. Now the circles you can see, the black circles, indicate the wind gusts. Tomorrow we have got quite gusty winds and they're coming from a chilly direction, namely from the north or the northeast. Now add that on to the low temperatures and tomorrow will feel quite cold wherever you are in the UK. Then as we head on into Friday, this system here continues to move steadily northwards, getting in across parts of northern England, possibly southeast Scotland, Wales and the southwest of England. Behind it, there will be a lot of cloud, and then the next system comes in from the southeast. So ahead of all of that, in Northern Ireland and Scotland, you've got a better chance of seeing some brightness, especially the further west that you travel. But once again, it is going to feel cold. Dan and Lou.